So the problem we've got today is the reversing lights in this 1995 Toyota Carib have stopped working. We've checked the rear tail lights, the bulbs and the fuses to make sure everything's okay. So the next point to look at would be the reversing switch, which is just down there. If we unplug that, we'll have a look at the terminals. Make sure it's not electrical rather than a mechanical problem. And as you can see, terminals are completely burnt out, and it's burnt out in the actual switch itself, so there's no way of fixing that without replacing the switch. So we'll have to get ourselves another switch which just bolts into the transmission here. So we've got ourselves a new switch, new terminals. Fortunately couldn't find a new plug, so we just had to get a second-hand one. So we'll install the new plug, and we'll have to cut the old terminal off, the old plug off, and just resolder that on. Get the plug out. It's a 27mm socket. As you can see, that's completely burnt out. There's no way of recovering that. Yeah, just be careful to put the washer back in. New plug switch, sorry. You can see it's a pretty tight space to get into. New switch, second-hand plug, but that should do the job. Just check the lights, make sure they go. Yep. Reversing lights going. A relatively easy fix, but new switch was 60 bucks and the plug was 40, including shipping. So easy fix, but not cheap for the problem.